Hey guys, it's Larry with Sweet Home Vacation. Today we'll be showing you some of the equipment rentals that we have available, ranging from baby gears to barbecue grills, mobility scooters, and more. So let's take a look at them one by one. Let's start with the baby gears for the little ones. We have everything from booster seat, bouncer, pack and play, full-size crib, high chair, to single and double strollers. First up, we have a booster seat, with straps to secure onto a chair, perfect for children 1 month and older to reach the table. Next, we have a bouncy seat featuring soothing vibrations and 5 melodies to choose from. This is good for babies 1 month and up. This will surely keep your baby entertained. This pack and play allows you to set up a safe play environment for the baby anywhere. It has 4 mesh sides allowing airflow, as well as padded floorboard. Setting up is super simple in less than a minute. Next, we have a full-size crib that can be folded up for easy transport and storage. It has reinforced legs and frame for all situations. It comes with a high-density foam mattress that is 5-inch thick. Your baby will surely have a good night's sleep. Make mealtime easy for your little one with this convenient high chair, with a 4-position adjustable tray and a 3-points harness system. You will be able to accommodate your youngster with no problems. Now let's check out some strollers. First one here is the Juvie Double Stroller. Its quick fold technology allows you to fold your stroller in one simple step. The padded seat reclines to a near flat position with a vented seat top and retractable weather cover. This lightweight stroller makes it perfect for shopping or all-day excursions at the theme parks. Next up is the City Mini Double Stroller. Another lightweight design that allows you to fold your stroller in one simple step. It also has a padded reclinable seat and vented retractable cover. In the seat back, you will find a storage compartment, perfect for your diaper bags. With a front wheel suspension, your babies will enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride. Here we have the City Mini Stroller. Very similar to the City Mini Double Stroller with its lightweight and quick folding design. A simple tuck from the strap in the middle and the stroller folds right up. Here we have the Britax Pioneer Harness 2 Booster Car Seat. This seat can accommodate children 2 years and older, and from 25 pounds to 110 pounds. It has plush foam padding and the integrated cup holders and storage keep snacks, drinks, and toys close at hand. Now let's talk about barbecue grill. Each grill comes with a full tank of propane. You can choose between a 2-burner and a 3-burner grill. All grill comes with an ignition system for fast and reliable startups. Last but not least, we have a lightweight electric scooter, made from durable aluminum and can hold a rider up to 350 pounds. It can easily be folded up and placed in the trunk of a car. At top speed, it can travel up to 6 miles per hour. It has an amazing 35-mile range on a single charge, and it only takes 4 hours to fully charge. This scooter is also available for sale. If interested, please feel free to contact us for more information. Alright, so all of these items can be arranged to be delivered at your vacation home. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at 407-624-3885, or you can also email us at reservations@sweethomevacation.com. Thanks for watching!